Pause the video now, guys, and try question number 7 from the Mathematics Advanced Paper 2, Pure Maths 2, okay, from the sample assessment material for first teaching September 2017. And it's a 2-hour paper, and it's for the full A-level maths, okay, looking at binomial expansion. Question number 7a. Use a binomial expansion in ascending powers of x to show that the square root of 4 minus x is equal to 2 minus a quarter x plus kx squared plus ... where k is a rational constant to be found. Okay, step 1, write it in index form. So root x means power of a half. We're going to have 4 minus x to the power of a half. Okay, remember, power of a half in maths means the square root, okay, from GCSE level maths. Okay, the square root of something can be written as power of a half. I'm now going to factor out a 4 to the power of a half. So I'm going to have 4 to the power of a half, brackets 1 minus a quarter x. Okay, the reason for that is because your formula booklet, okay, or the formula that is given to you in the formula booklet, I should say, okay, more clearly, is written in the form 1 plus or minus x to the power of n. Okay, so it has to be in the form 1 plus or minus something. Okay, here obviously I've got a 4 here, so I have to factor out the 4. 4 to the half means the square root of 4, so that would be 2. So it's 2 lots of 1 minus a quarter x to the power of a half. And I can just plug this into the formula, okay, which is given to us in our formula booklet, okay. So power of a half, sorry, not minus a half, okay. Apologies about my handwriting, guys. Okay, we're going to have 2 brackets 1 minus a quarter times a half, that'd be 1/8 x, so 1/8 x. And then what's next? We're going to have plus a half, brackets a half minus 1, so that'd be a half times minus a half, so that'd be minus a quarter on the top over 2 factorial. 2 factorial just means 2 times 1, so it's minus a quarter over 2 times by minus a quarter x squared, so that'd be times by 1/16 x squared, okay, plus ... okay, close the brackets. Okay, so let's just simplify this. Minus a quarter divided by 2, so that'd be minus 1/8. Minus 1/8, okay, times by 1/16 x squared, actually, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, because I do minus a quarter x all squared, so I get 1/16 x squared. So when I do that, okay, 8 times 16, actually, so double that, I get 32, double that again, I get 64, double that, I get 128. We have 2 brackets 1 minus 1/8 x, and then the minus and the plus make a minus, so you have minus 1 over 128 x squared, okay, plus ... okay. I'm just going to actually double check this here for a second, guys, because they've got a plus k as well as here, so they have actually a plus kx squared, okay. So it's n brackets n minus 1 over 2 factorial, so that'd be 2, and then times by minus a quarter x all squared. Okay, let's obviously double check that here just briefly. Okay, to make sure that I've not made a mistake. Okay, when I do this, guys, oh, sorry about that. Okay, so we're gonna have a half minus 1, so that'd be minus a half. We got a half times minus half, so that'd be minus a quarter. Minus a quarter divided by 2, it'll be minus an 8, so that is definitely right. and that'd be 1/16th. Yes, yep. So that's actually definitely right there. Okay. So expand obviously the bracket. So 2 times 1 is going to be 2. 2 times minus 1/8 makes minus 2/8, which simplifies to minus a quarter x. And then finally, 2 lots of minus 128 x squared. Okay, so divide top and bottom by 2, we get minus 1/64 x squared. So in this case, k is equal to minus a 64th, and then plus dot dot dot, and that, guys, is my answer for part A, which was worth 4 marks. Okay, looking at the binomial expansion, okay, using the formula that is given to you in the exam. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. All the best.